Go to the microphone. Go to the microphone.
It don't seem so lonely. Oh yeah.
Oh my God, I love that man so much.
And when I hurt, ouch, 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 hurting runs off my shoulders. How can I hurt when holding you? Everybody raise those hands.
Touching hands. We enjoyed her so much, we went back every night.
There's an old man. There's an old man. Hi, sir. There's an old man sitting across from me. What are you drinking? Making love to his strawberry daiquiri.
Oh my God, she's actually playing the harmonica.
He says, girl, can you play me a memory? I'm not really sure how it goes, but it's sad, it's sweet, and I knew complete when I wore a younger man's clothes. 3, 2, 1.
It's a mom scene down there. I love dressing up for the 70s and 80s nights. We loved our room. We loved our balcony. And I love my husband. See you on the next cruise.